Slay the day at work when you wear these shoes by Eileen Fisher. They feature a leather upper with an almond toe silhouette and wide open collar that has some stretch for easy slip on. They have a shiny finish from heel to toe, giving you a simple yet stylish look that's perfect for a day at the office. Inside, there is a leather lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. The midsole adds contrast with a striping detail all over for added style. You'll also get lots of flexibility, making it great for all-day wear. It's all on top of a grippy rubber outsole. Slip into these wearing a cute pair of dress slacks.